Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in front of the unnamed, unmarked, secret location known as Powerful Lithium. I got the Bandit, not that. This over here. Unfortunately, the Bandit is gonna have to be going under some necessary maintenance. There's been a couple of small things here and there that need to be addressed, so we're gonna leave it here with Dr. V. We're gonna make sure that everything gets taken care of, and hopefully within another month, I'll be riding on a perfect bike. There's still a lot of cosmetic stuff that I want to do, but all of that takes second place to things like regen braking, which I still haven't gotten set up. The controller is still cutting out on me, which is something that needs to be fixed. And recently the alarm had this really awful weird glitch where it just shot in reverse and it ended up destroying my brake lever. So a lot of fun, but I'm confident that these guys here will be able to get it going in some amount of time. So let's go in there, check out what's going on.
Yeah, straps. Yeah.
Look at that.
Because it's been badly damaged. Yeah.
This thing is like jewelry.
Not even one. No. You see, I can't go anywhere.
Tacos, you having fun?
Already know, man. Just checking out,
Yes, but even without that, yeah.
They have a lot of great stuff going on right now.
You already doing
Straps is
business
something
here?
which you
Something like that. I'm
And
just trying
you
to
being
get rid of
first
the RX.
who told me that
See if that happens.
straps broke.
Crazy stuff going
Never.
on. Always.
Nothing. Usually never happen like something like that.
Shelby,
And this needs to be
check it
tight.
out.
That battery acting like one piece with the bike. And now whatever you do,
Right here we have the bike. As you can see, I wrapped up the lever with the t-shirt just in case it started leaking again, but it's like totally destroyed. This is the same Magura lever. It's an MT5 and it's just cracked open right here. It was gushing oil. It wasn't even like a slow leak. It was completely gushing oil out. Yeah, and then also the fork needs to be looked at because the fork is acting a little strange. Here's the controller back there.
I thought about metal enclosures, it would be easier in my life to do everything like quick, but from safety side, we're gonna stick with this still.
Only partner? Okay.
Still.
So it's looking like I'm
From his age.
Tacos is in there getting the whole talk from V about why his batteries are better, but check this out, guys. This is the version 2 of the Vinyl by Bobby for the Spark Cycle Works Bandit. There are a couple of different upgrades that we made. The main one being that there is not a need for the wires to come straight out the side. He actually has a hole cut on the top for it so wires can come through. There's also a nice hole on the front, hole on the back, some reinforcements. On the inside, there are loops for wires to be held, which is a fantastic addition. And there are also 2 straps now for the batteries. The hook and loop side of the Velcro has been flipped as per my request because it just makes a little bit more sense in my opinion, but we'll see. I asked for the custom yellow stitching, which looks awesome, and it's gonna go really well with the yellow stitching on the seat. But on that same note, I probably will be getting a different seat. So fucking loud here. So to complement the yellow stitching a little bit better, the current seat that I have is beautiful. Thank you to Lorenzo Tapia. This was actually Richie's old seat from the Hornet Bandit. But one thing that I really want is to get rid of this ass on the back of it. I really don't like how much space is wasted, and I want it to be a nice flat seat so I can have a passenger on here. I also do not want this material on top. Whatever this material is here, it's absorbent, so it's more likely to soak up water if I'm ever riding in the rain, and that can cause, mildew and stuff like that. Not good. So yeah, lots and lots of updates here, but we're gonna go get some food and then come back here and talk about bikes. Catch you guys in the next video.